How to return items you purchased from Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I'll guide you on how you can return items from Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Temu is basically an online e-commerce store that you can use in order to purchase some products, goods and services. However, if there is an item that you recently purchased and now you want to return it because maybe there is some flaw in it, maybe it's a damaged product or whatever your case may be, you can absolutely do that. So for that, first of all, just go to the Temu.com website and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Then after that, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see orders and account. Just hover your mouse over it and then here you'll find the option called your orders. Basically you can just click on the option. When you go to your orders section, you'll be able to see a list of all the orders that you've made. So you can see the orders, you can see processing, shipped, delivered and returns. If you've made any returns in the past, then you can just go to returns and then you'll be able to see all the items that is yet to be returned. Or else when you go to all orders and then there is a product that is specifically purchased, you can just click on that option and then you will find the option to actually go ahead and then return the specific product because maybe you want to dispute it or whatever else. You could absolutely do that. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.